You're watching News Leader 9 with Cheryl Renee and meteorologist Greg Majewski.
If you're headed out to Columbus Park Crossing this afternoon, here's a look at it from our Alpha Insurance Skycam from Ashley Furniture Home Store. Temperature 48 degrees.
Kind of damp out there.
Kind of damp. Yeah, that misty rain earlier this morning.
I don't know what's more clogged up, the skies or my nasal passage right now. I'm just fighting a cold, and I think the sky's got a cold right now.
So we need some sunshine.
We're
not going to get any anytime soon.
Probably not until Sunday. Maybe late Saturday, but Sunday's a better chance for that. Let's take a look at what's trending with your forecast right now. As you can see, the cloudy, damp days. Looks like we'll see some warming coming up a little bit later this afternoon, especially heading into tomorrow. Looks like a stormy day for tomorrow. Could see a few isolated strong storms in areas to the south and east of Columbus. Might see some isolated severe weather. We'll show you that in just a second. And it looks like a pretty neat cool down coming in toward the middle of next week. That's ahead on the 7-day. Take a look right now at the radar. Not seeing a whole lot of way of real rain out there. Just the drizzle, which is very hard for the radar to even pick up. But where it's maybe a little heavier is over here into Lee County up near Auburn with some patchy rain up to Valley and just north of Smith Station. But again, not really amounting to much. Now, of course, with the storm system that's approaching us as we head toward tomorrow, there's a chance with some warming we'll see some thunderstorms. That's in the green area there. In the yellow area, kind of getting down toward Albany and mostly toward the southeastern portion of Georgia, they can have a slight chance of some severe weather, and the reason for that is they'll have a little more instability in the atmosphere. Now, we're currently at 48 degrees here, 50 degrees up in Alexander City, and zooming out, to get on the other side of that front, you can see the big warm-up. Check that out, 71 degrees in Valdosta, 63 in Vandalia, but 46 up in Atlanta, so you clearly see where that stationary boundary is. It's going to turn into a warm front and begin to move back toward the north as we watch this developing storm system that's going to be coming at us. Here's the situation right now, the kind of rain gathering out here, storm system trying to take place here over toward Kansas, and it's kind of in a pretty good clip. It's going to kind of move through fairly quickly, which is the good news for our weekend. Go ahead and look at futurecast, kick this into motion. You can see the rain threat coming in, especially toward tomorrow morning, and then we're going to watch the front kind of come on in here, and it's going to clean everything out of here. So once the front goes on through, heading into Sunday, should be looking pretty nice. So again, if you have anything you want to plan to do outside, just go ahead and wait until Sunday to do it. Looks like on Monday maybe just a few more clouds out there, but generally not looking bad. Rainfall amounts could be potentially heavy, up between nearly 2 inches of rain. This might be a little overdone, but generally over an inch of rain in our area is expected. Here's our forecast, starting East Alabama into the 50s to right near 60 degrees as we warm up late this afternoon, and looks like overnight lows not really going to cool off that much, lower to mid-50s. On the Georgia side, going to see generally into the lower 50s, especially to the north and east, middle 50s down here toward the south, and overnight lows, again, lower 50s, pretty much going to hold status quo here as we watch some warming. Southwest Georgia into the 60s down across areas down toward Albany, 63 degrees, and overnight lows, middle to upper 50s. So not really going to see much of a cool off here. Take a look at the next 7 days. Here's how we break it down. Upper 60s for tomorrow, good chance of showers, a few thunderstorms not out of the question. And then Sunday looking pretty good, 61 degrees, overnight lows down to 40. And then we're going to watch a weak system come in here with a chance of rain late Monday, should be ending Saturday, or Tuesday morning, I should say Tuesday morning. And then a little bit of a cool down there on Wednesday, looking pretty good for Wednesday and Thursday.
Wow, 68 tomorrow, that's not bad.
Yeah, but with that warm weather, it's going to be kind of warm, muggy, and a little stormy. So.
All right. Okay. Well, thanks, Greg.